Good morning. It is Friday, January 22. I got the date right because yesterday it was January 21 and I said it was January 22. So apologies for that. In today's episode, I am going to bring you my favorite and most comfortable slides. Kasi usually we talk about sneakers, we talk about shoes, but the reality is with the current pandemic, the work from home situation, most of the time, at least me, 80%, 90% of the time, I wear slides. So what I want to do is I want to show you my mini slide collection, and I'll just share with you which ones are my favorite, which I think are the best value for money, and which I think are kind of overrated. So if that excites you, tara, let's go. There he is. There he is. Hi, Dusty. Say hi to the vlog again. Hi, humans. I'm sorry. Sorry for waking you up. But you're so cute. I'm actually super excited for today's episode because I'm going to feature a bunch of brands. We have slides from Adidas. I actually have slides, of course, from Nike. We even have this brand new, slides from Crocs. So yes, you heard that right. So tara, let's get to the slides. Now, the first slide that I want to show you guys is from Nike. I recently did an unboxing of this one. This is the Nike Offline Mule Slides. And the interesting about this one is that it is closed, so your toes don't show, which allows for it to be worn, at least in my opinion, when you actually can go out or if you want to go to the mall, it actually works. Secondly, it actually has this removable insole. So there are two insoles when you buy this one. This one has more dots, which massages your foot and gives you better, blood flow. There is another one that has bigger dots but fewer. And I think I really don't know the science, but yeah, they have two insoles. So just pick the one that makes you move, that makes you feel the best. Now the problem with the Nike Offline Mules is that since they are closed-toe, they are a little bit warmer. And number two, they are pricey. This one sells for over 4,000 pesos, and that's already discounted because the usual price is over 6,000 pesos. If you guys want one, I will link down below to where you can buy it here in the Philippines, probably on Lazada. You have to take a quick break because I am going to do a Zoom call with the senior anchor of CNN Philippines, Rico Hizon. We will be talking about pandemic gadgets. So I'll share with him a couple of really novel, innovative gadgets, some of which are developed in the Philippines, and I'll just share to them and to his audience. So tara. So here are some of the gadgets we'll be showing. Of course, a local brand. We have the Cherry Mobile Cherry Ion, which is like a personal air purifier that you wear around your neck. Disclaimer though, some doctors have mentioned in the past that this is not 100% effective, so just take that with a grain of salt. This one is another Filipino brand, U Element. So this is a Filipino innovation. Same guys who brought, I think they're like the distributors of PacSafe here in the Philippines. So the amazing thing about this body bag is that if you take a look at this part, this is like a UV sanitizer area. Even has a power bank here, so it can power it while you are on the go. Di ba panalo? This is Filipino-made, Filipino design. This is probably one of the most comfortable and smart masks I've ever tried. It's called the Atmo Blue. This one is app controlled, has two air filters. So these two air filters will allow for you to breathe clean air. At the same time, it cools your mouth. Really nice design. Apparently, it won the 2018 Red Dot Design Award. So yeah, another nice item. This one is from Crazy Cap PH, which is a smart water bottle. This cap is actually chargeable, and it functions also as I think a UV sanitizing light.
Hello everybody on YouTube, on the Carlo Ople YouTube channel. It's great that Carlo is here with me on the exchange of Rico Hizon on CNN Philippines. I hope you can watch our program tonight on CNN Philippines at 8 in the evening, Friday, and on Saturday at 9 in the evening, and on Sunday at 11:30 in the morning and 5:30 in the afternoon. We'll be watching Carlo Ople with his latest gadgets na anti-COVID-19. So please watch us, Rico Hizon and tech blogger Carlo Ople.
Boom, thank you. So I just finished my interview with Rico. It will be streaming tonight. But I just want to emphasize some of the points that I raised during the interview. Gadgets like this, guys, are like add-ons. They're like incremental upgrades. It will never defeat the basics that will protect you from the virus, such as staying at home if you can, only go out if you need to, and if you need to go out, wear a face shield, wear a face mask, sanitize your hands, wash your hands, practice physical distancing when you get home. You might want to leave like your shoes out the door. You might want to take a shower. Those are all like the most critical elements that you need to do and to take, more than the ridiculously expensive gadgets that you can buy to protect you. Okay, so these gadgets again are not super needs or super must-haves. They are upgrades, they are add-ons, but they can never ever replace the basics. Now, going back to slides, for me, the most practical, the best, and the most comfortable, the best bang for your buck value slides that you can get is the Adilet slides from Adidas. They usually go on sale, so you can get them for like less than 1,000, sometimes like 800, 700, 600 pesos. And these bad boys are extremely comfortable. They're even better than the Boost slides that Adidas came out with in the past. Not only are those more expensive, I feel that they are so stiff compared to the foam that was used with the Adidas Adilet slide. So if you are looking for really comfortable slides, this one has my top recommendation in terms of overall value for money. Now we get to ridiculously expensive, impractical slides, but they look good. So first up, we have this one from Crocs. This is, I think, one of the very first few Crocs that we will be unboxing on the channel. Bam! Oh, diba? Panalo! So this is actually the Crocs Justin Bieber Drew like slides. So I couldn't resist picking one up. So let's just take a look at let's take a closer look at this one. Really fascinated with how Crocs is starting to venture more into the hype space. They did collaboration with Post Malone. Now they have this with Justin Bieber. And man, this is loud AF. Yellow. Sobrang yellow. So you have those buttons, Drew, a sun, some sort of like teddy bear, and ice cream. Wow. Crazy. So yeah, just like with any Crocs slippers or slides or shoes, they are bound to be super comfy. But the problem is these are pretty expensive. They go anywhere from, like, in the resale market, 5 to 10,000 pesos depending on who you're buying them for. So they're highly impractical. We do have a quick note over here from Real Steel Manila. That's where I picked this particular set of slides up. So shout out to Real Steel Manila for hooking me up with this pair. Ganda, cute. Really, really shiny and loud. And speaking of Boost slides, a subscriber actually sent me this. So he wishes to be anonymous. So I will not, give him a shout out. But bro, I appreciate you. Thank you for sending this over. So this is the Pharrell Chance Lettuce. It's like Boost slides. So let's take a closer look. So again, shout out to the guy who sent this over. I think this sells for like almost 5,000 pesos over at Adidas. So babang ganda talaga. So this one, I think he saw that he saw a video that I did showing where I saw this, but it wasn't available in my size, and I really wanted it. And he actually had an extra pair in my size, so he sent it over. So this is like Boost slides from Adidas, but it is a collaboration with, I think, Adidas with Human Made, and not too sure if it includes Pharrell. I think it's Pharrell. So it's like Pharrell and Nigo from Human Made. So wow, ang ganda niya. This one, I just like the color. I just like the look more than the comfort, more than the value. This one just looks really dope AF. So this one, style-wise, for me, just looks, oh man, looks super cool. Now, if you want to pick up any of the slides that I've showed so far, some of them will be linked down below, including the one from Nike. I'll link down below to the reseller where I got this from, as well as I'll try to find the link if it's still available on the Adidas website. If it is, then you can probably pick this one up. All the slides that I showed you, which is it that you guys like the most? Let me know down below in the comment section. As usual, would love to hear from every single one of you. Now, before we end, I just want to share with you guys a really cool tech find. So this is something that I got for my wife, which she really likes. As you guys can probably tell, we are huge fans of cats. I show cats every day these days during my intros. That's because we have 4 super adorable, super cute cats. And my wife was asking if I could get her like new wireless headphones, and I couldn't resist. So this is the Razer wireless cat ears headphones that we got. So you have the Razer logo. The cat ears actually grow. Sound quality isn't too bad. It's not the best for wireless headphones in this price. You're paying more for the novelty and the look more than anything. But yeah, If you guys are fans of cats as well and you're looking for headphones, you might want to consider this one. I'll link it down below where you can buy it also on Lazada. Ang cute! Also, I have a semi-big announcement. I am thinking of either legit putting up my own sneaker shop or partnering with an existing sneaker shop or investing in one of them. So what do you guys think? Should I do it? Should I pull the trigger? Na-inspire kasi ako. I was inspired with the steel cabinet over at Green Hills. It's doing so well and it's super interesting and it's super exciting and I really like it. I'm kind of torn between either going the reseller route or putting up an actual sneaker shop and connecting with the Nikes and but that will be really pricey and the capital for that will be intense. But I am seriously considering both options. So give me your advice. What should I do? Should I put up like a sneaker hype / reseller shop? Or should I put up like an actual sneaker shop and try to get stuff for retail? Pero grabe, the investment in that one will be major. But yeah, let me know, guys. I would love to hear from you. I would love to know your thoughts on it. Give me advice. Usually I'm the one giving advice. So now, let me know what you think. I'll probably mull it over for the next few months. And then, if ever I do make a decision, kayo ang pinakaunang-unang makakalaman. With that said, this is Carlo signing out. As usual, I pray that you all have a restful, meaningful weekend up ahead with your loved ones. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom. Reminder, we are giving away Koala smartwatches. So you haven't joined the giveaway yet. We are drawing the winner on January 30. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, and then click the link down below. Watch the video for the rest of the mechanics. January 30 the draw. Still have a couple of days. Join. Good luck.